Butterfly. So today we're going to be making trains. In the story, I want to see you, Grandma. The girl and the grandma used different forms of transportation to try to get to each other and meet each other. Um, it took them a while. They used the trains, cars, and when they got to the bikes, that's when they ended up meeting each other. So today we're going to be making the trains. We're going to need construction paper, glue, scissors, and cotton balls, right? So first we're gonna cut out the pieces of our train. So we're gonna need one of these. Can anyone tell me what shape this is? It has two short sides and two long sides. Correct. If you said rectangle, that is right. We're gonna need a what shape is this? It has three sides. Triangle. Thank you. Good job. And we're gonna need 5 of these shapes. And let me make the shape right now. Thank you. Can anyone tell me what shape this is? It has 4 equal sides. This one has 1 long, 1 short. 2 long, 2 short. And this one has all equal. Yes, it is a square. Good job. So we're gonna need 5 of those. You can use as many colors as you want. I'm gonna use yellow, orange, red, blue, and make sure that you ask your parents to help you with the scissors so that you don't get hurt. Okay. Here I go. I'm making my squares. This is gonna be a cool train, guys. And this is fun. This is a fun activity to do with your families.
Mommy.
Right? Yes.
Mama. Mama. I died.
Alrighty. There I have my squares. There I have all 5 of my squares. All right. So after I'm done making my squares, remember, if you need help by an adult, don't hesitate to ask someone around you. Okay? So now I have all the pieces to my... Oh, I forgot one thing. Can someone tell me what shape this is? Can you tell already what I'm making? I'm going round and round and round. What are these gonna be? If you said wheels, you are on the money. Good job, guys. And we're gonna be making more wheels. Alrighty. How many wheels will we need? Let's say that we're going to need 6 wheels. Okay, so let's cut out 6 circles. Oh, my son.
What do you want to do?
Okay, guys, be careful. Remember, be careful with the scissors. All right, so let me just move all this out of the way. Now we have all our shapes. We have our squares. We have our rectangle, one triangle, our 6 wheels, and we are ready to make our train. So we're going to put our construction paper flat on the table, and we're going to take our triangle and glue it to the front of our paper. So we're going to put a little bit of glue on one side. And we're going to glue it to the front. Alright, just a little bit. Or if not, you're going to have spills like me. Right? So you should have something like this. Next, we're going to take our rectangle, put a little bit of glue as well.
Mommy, look it. I fly.
And glue it right next to, let me show you. Right next to our triangle. Remember, guys, this doesn't have to be perfect.
Mommy.
We're gonna rub it down so it doesn't go anywhere. And now we're gonna take our squares and we're gonna glue that right next to our rectangle, sorry. We have 1,
I got it.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, it almost doesn't fit. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. What's missing? What's missing on our train? The wheels. So let's put the wheels onto the bottom of our train. And we'll start from the back. And then move our way forward. Remember, guys, don't use too much glue so that you don't make a mess. We're gonna tap that all down and we're gonna add one finishing touch. We're gonna take 3 cotton balls, 3 of them, and then we're gonna have that coming out of the train as their steam. Oh, this looks so pretty. And there we have it, butterflies, our train. Have fun with this activity and make sure that you post what you've made using household items that you have on our class tag. See you guys.